Okay, Silvertones, here's another one for you. Silvertones, and I think we're going to be calling ourselves the Silver Strummers, so that's going to be exciting. And so yeah, we're going to need a logo for that, aren't we? T-shirts, you know, some gig bag, you know, stuff to put on our gig bags to make everyone know who we are when we show up. All right, so this is Lions Sleeps Tonight. So the strumming pattern, if you're not just doing straight strums, and don't forget you can also just do downs to the beat. This is 4/4 time, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strumming pattern, if you want to get into a strumming pattern, it's down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So when you're strumming, you go down and you just lift your hand up without strumming strings on your way back up. So that's how you just do a simple down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And if you're paying attention to where my elbow is, my elbow's sitting on the edge of my ukulele, right? It's my pendulum. That's where my arm is swinging from. I am strumming right where the strings, or sorry, where the neck meets the body. And if you see, I'm gliding my finger over and down and pulling back up. Slide down, pull back up. Slide down, pull back up. And I have my hand in a fist, but often my fingers loosen. It's okay to have loose fingers down here. So whether they're just hanging out and enjoying the ride, or whether you've tucked them in, but you don't need to hold them tight. You can go in a fist, put out your finger, and just loosen your hand. And that's how we strum. So it's more in the wrist than it is like your whole arm is going, but it's all working together. So we've got this strum down, pull up, strum down, pull up, strum down, pull up. And this song has only 3 chords. So we have the C chord. So that's the first string at the bottom, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. So there's our C chord. Then we have an F. So keep your finger on the C. Or sorry, don't keep your finger on the C. We now have our first finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string. 2nd finger on the last string, the top string, number 4. So we count 4 from the floor, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 2nd fret. So 1st fret, 2nd string. 2nd fret, top string, 4th string. And that's our F. And we have a G. Now in this song, you can play the G. Remember we were practicing going from the F. If you use my how to practice and transition between the F and the G chord, which is, I know a lot of people don't like that G, but boy does that G come in handy in so many songs. So you'll want to practice picking up that G. So if we have our F chord, we need those same 2 fingers, but we have to move our wrist and swap. We want 1st string, 2nd fret with our 2nd finger, 3rd string, okay, 2nd fret with our 1st finger. That's an E minor 7 or a G6, but add your finger in between on the fret below on string 2, and that's a G. Now if you're really struggling getting that chord, play a G7 for this song. So a G7 is 1st finger, 2nd string on the 1st fret, and then add your 2 other fingers below, which is 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd or 3rd string, 2nd fret. But it does sound better with a straight G. I'm going to be playing a straight G. So this is the Lion Sleeps Tonight, and this is a fun one you could do in a round with the choir, right? So the ukuleles are playing, maybe the ukuleles are only strumming, and then you have 2 parts of the choir singing the verse, or the cool thing about this song is it's meant to be sung in parts. So you have oh yee away, and then you have the oh, and those 2 are supposed to go together, right? They're supposed to be sung together. So in this song, I'm going to be singing the beginning. We're going to sing it as it was printed. So if you follow your song sheets, I will be attaching the song sheets to this video as well in the email. So, I'll try to upload a PDF as well. But that way, if you don't have it printed, you can always see it on your iPad. If you're using your iPad or a computer, you can always upload the song sheets on your desktop and play along that way as well. All right, so here we go. This is The Lion Sleeps Tonight, and it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And let's see, a wee. That sounds like a good speed, right? So it's a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, C. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah, oh, whim-a-wah. Let's play that a couple more times. Let's fade out. Awesome. All right, how'd you do? All right, looking forward to when we all get back. Very much looking forward to that. So enjoy practicing this one.